Got a pretty exciting piece for our FR-S. Go ahead and get this unboxed. Apple CarPlay seems to be a traditional thing now for these older cars that we have. It's crazy to think that a 2013 is like 9 years old. 2013 sounds new in my mind, but clearly it's not. So I guess that's just a sign of aging. So it looks like we got some plastic trim removal tools. It's pretty cool. We got microphone, USB stuff in there. Looks like the part of the wiring adapter, more wiring. So I believe this is an OEM fit. This product that a lot of the FR-S guys do. It's the iDoing kit. So it's already got the bezel, super clean screen. It's upside down. No buttons, all touch screen. Pretty sweet. This is the back side of it. Let's see what we got going on here. What is this? This looks like a jump rope. What is this? 4G aux, 4G main. So some kind of antenna or something? I don't know.
Padded?
Yeah, it looks very weird. Got a GPS antenna right here. So I'm assuming this thing obviously has probably some kind of factory navigation. It's like an SD card holder. I don't think they'll be needing that. I don't know of anyone that loads their music on an SD card to put in their car. Seems like a thing of the past. Could be there could be a software or something in it. Just a bunch of RCAs for subwoofers, amplifiers and whatnot. As of right now, we're not gonna be doing a full sound system, mainly just the CarPlay.
What is that?
Appears to be some kind of motherboard. So this is a little adapter for BRZ. Looks like WRX Forester Outback. So all the Subaru products. I think you can maintain the factory harness without doing any wiring, if I'm not mistaken. I guess we'll see further once we get in there, because there's no wiring harness that goes to a factory splitter. That might make our install very easy. So we'll see how that goes, but we're not gonna need this. Got USBs, looks like we got 2 of them. That's pretty cool. Yeah, super simple. It is some nice work installing a screen protector at the factory.
I forgot to record.
Alright, so to start this, we're gonna go ahead and pull off this trim bezel right here. Looks like we can get to it from down here. Got 4 10mm bolts. Bunch of connectors back here. Go ahead and unplug all these.
Oh, the first thing in this car that I've seen Toyota.
It's pretty cool. They give you RCAs from the factory. Let's see what harnesses and connectors that we need to make this work. So I'm assuming maybe these just plug right in. Let's see. Got 1, 2. So somebody's gonna go do those in. So let's see. This looks like our antenna adapter. So this right here is our antenna. That taken care of. So right here is our antenna. I'm gonna mount this on top of the head unit.
Got very like fluent. So we got it working, but our door speakers don't work. So trying to figure out what's going on with that. And they included this nunchuck of a device.
The issue that we got going on here is there's some kind of miscommunication with the new receiver and the factory wiring as to where our factory amplifier that comes with this car is not turning on. So I found this wire right here on this connector at the bottom. Looking at the unit from this angle, bottom right, it's this brown wire right here. Needs to be powered. So currently it's grounded, so there's no power going to it. So we need to supply a accessory power to this brown wire, which will tap in, and then our front speakers and subwoofer will work.
We don't have a sub though.
There's something back there I heard kick in. What's that?
Said that's some door speakerage.
Yes, sir.
If you guys haven't seen, we just restocked these banners. Just got a freshie install done. Looks so good. End up trying to get this mic wired up through the A-pillar. Looks like fun. Just watching the new vid.
So this is the factory bezel right here. We have to remove these yellow clips and transfer these to the new bezel. So this can be a little tricky just because these things break very easily. So we'll try not to break them. Doesn't look too bad. Just lift up on this little metal tab here. It seems to just pop right up. So to get this to clip in, you got to give it quite a bit of force, but it will go in. So there we go. Nice flush fit. Looks pretty good.
That's probably the easiest install we had, huh?
Yeah.
I thought that was gonna be a nightmare too.
Got your calculator on the fly.
Oh wow. Little cosine action. So our Apple CarPlay was super easy to install. If you want to see us give away our previous giveaway car to its winner, check out this video right here. And if you want a chance at winning this Turbo FR-S, hit up karmaspeed.com. We'll see you over there.